What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. We actually just finished recording a haul, and we have a what's all to pull. So yeah, we've got some sales.
We moved all of our stuff back to the floor. One day we won't have to move stuff back and forth, maybe.
Hey, I mean, that's all this business really is. Moving stuff from the thrift store to our upstairs to the mailbox.
That's true.
And getting paid for it.
All right, first thing I sold were these SAS like wedge sandals, and I actually accepted a lower offer than I was hoping to, but when I went to list them, so like on these like kind of sandals, they usually have elastics around them to kind of, that way they can stretch a little,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyways, they're still really good and they're still stretchy, but just the tiniest bit like stretched out, I guess. Anyway, so I showed pictures of all four of them. For that reason, though, I accepted $22. I thought I could get more like $35 to $40 because wedges are a good style. These are a newer SAS, and yeah. But anyways, I did have $9.99 into them, and that was actually my average cost of goods that day. So this is profiting me close to $8, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
They sold really fast. So yeah, like if I would have noticed the stretching before I bought them, I probably would have left them. So to make a $7 profit still, it's good. Let me get this out of my way. Yeah, we did actually make a good amount of personal kid sales and stuff today.
Yeah, some things we've already packed up.
So that'll go on a medium flat rate for Poshmark. All right, CP. Sold some men's reef sneakers, I guess. Those sold for $23 with discount shipping on Posh, and I had $7.89 average cost of goods into those. So,
yeah,
we're making $9-10 there.
That's what it's all about,
Yeah. I think a shoebox might be best for those. Alrighty, CJ, were we? No, we were in C.
P. CJ.
Sold that Carves Design rash guard. I actually just listed this last night during our live, and it already sold. So $24.01 plus shipping. I had $4.55 into it, so
Awesome.
Very happy with that fast sale. I was kind of unsure. I've only sold that brand one other time.
And if you didn't know, we do have a live show we put on every Thursday night, 8 p.m. Colorado or Mountain Time. And yeah, last night we did listing. You got what, 20 things listed?
Yeah, not all profitable. When I say not profitable, like
Personal
I probably
items.
listed half for profit and half to break even on our personal items, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll just ship that in a mailer. My new favorite floral. For now.
A very pretty floral mailer.
Yeah. All right, BX.
We're there.
Not even close. So these Crocs brown leather clogs. I did pay up for these at $12.99. In my experience, anything leather and Croc together sells well and fast. So I figured at the very least I'll double my money. That's about what I did. I sold them for $33.96 plus shipping. At the thrift store, I always have a coffee or a drink with me. And when I had these in my cart, a little bit of my drink got on them, so I wiped it. And like there's a little bit of a spot on there. So I think I could have got a little more closer to 40 if I didn't have that. So I obviously disclosed the spot, but I'm the one that put the spot there. But hey, I still bought them. I didn't just leave them there for someone else.
You got some collateral damage on them.
Yeah. So those are really nice. Those are going out from eBay in a shoebox. Alrighty, and then an AY. Shape ups. These are Mary Jane. Sold for $29.71 plus ship. I had $9.99 into those guys. Those are gonna go in a padded flat rate. So yeah, that's going in a padded flat rate. All right, AO. Gracie. Hi. Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, hi. All right, so these Nike jogger pants for $33.96 plus shipping. Just bought those the other day for $6.99. It's a really good sale. Little rainbows or florals, I don't know. Let's do rainbows.
The first one to come out with a rainbow floral mailer is gonna make bank on you, right?
Yeah. All right, box S. Shipping Up did say they're coming out with strawberries, so I'm probably gonna flip about those when I see them. Those are kind of my favorite things.
Strawberries.
Where are you, little hat? All right, this actually got an offer on our live last night for $5, which I did not accept. I actually even declined because I was annoyed. But then I got another offer on it this morning for $16, which I happily accepted. It's just an REI beanie, but it is wool. And I got it from the bins, so $1.97 into $16. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Do a tie back on that. Like, honestly, on eBay, I may have considered $5 if it sat for like a year or something.
Right.
But I knew it was going to sell for more than $5. And on Posh, they take $2.95 off anything under $15. So I would have made like $1.
Right.
Well, I paid $1.97, so I would have made like 7 cents. But obviously, I wasn't accepting that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so don't offer people $5 on Poshmark.
Yeah, that's probably not. I don't know if everybody knows that about Posh on those.
Right.
If they're just buyers, they probably don't understand that.
Yeah,
anything
I get it
under.
because like when I first got onto Posh, I was to buy something like a Riley and Crew.
Yeah.
No, it was actually to buy a beanie, and I probably offered low.
Mm-hmm.
Now that I think about it, I was probably rude. I don't think it was $5. I think I offered like $8 or $9. It was this Where the Wild Things Are Target hat.
Right.
But
So
yeah,
rude.
I didn't understand at the time that there's just one shipping and the buyer has to pay it. So I was offering, because I was like willing to pay like around $15, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. And then I conversated with the person and then understood that, okay, I get why you would not want to accept my offer that
Right.
you would get paid like $5, which is not even worth you really getting out of your bed for. So, anyways, yeah, if you don't shop on Posh, the buyer pays shipping unless the seller offers it, or Posh has a free shipping promo. And yeah, Posh fees are 20% to the seller. Not that that matters to the buyer again. You know, they just want to try to offer what they're willing to pay.
But if it's under a
If it's
specific
under
price,
15, it's $1 or $2.95.
right, no matter what.
So yeah.
Because Poshmark still wants to make money, you know?
Yeah, and honestly, I'm happy. Like, I don't mind Poshmark fees at all, even though they're kind of the highest. Their shipping's the easiest. Their platform's the easiest to me. So, anyhow, I sold these Cole Haan. These are actually a really nice Oxford. They're kind of like a knit material, like a Nike Fly Knit almost. Sold for $52 plus shipping on Mercari. I had $12.99 into those. And then the guy messaged such a nice message saying, thank you so much. I'm starting a new job. These will be perfect.
Oh,
That
awesome.
was nice.
Yeah.
Because these were actually getting to be a pain in my butt this week. Because no joke, I've had 3 people offer. Like, I turned off my Facebook again for a few days because people just kept asking for 40, 35, 40.
Not even asking,
free
right?
shipping, right? Like,
Just sending numbers.
a number. And so I just like didn't respond to any of them and just turned off my Facebook. And then they sold them Mercari, thank goodness. So those I will find a brown box for UPS. Right, this actually, grab one all the way back here. You think those will just fit in this one? I think so. But what I'm coming for is this other thing. I'm about to lose everything.
Can't fit in there with you.
Where are we going? This.
I think it's about time to clean up the closet again.
It's like, it's not even like, it looks messy, but it really isn't.
Yeah.
It's
It's
very
full.
big.
Yeah.
So this cool shark ride-on blow-up pool thingy. I've sold like a few of these now. I bought them for my kids. We just never found a place we could actually go to and use them. In Colorado, I mean, there are public pools, but not really ones that you can bring this kind of a thing to. I don't know, maybe you could go to a lake. I don't know.
Yeah.
We never used them. Now I feel like they're too big for them. So I listed them. That one sold for $12.71 plus shipping. I think I paid around $5 for it, so I'm not losing any money. That is shipping priority mail. Probably just do like a I don't know. That's kind of a weird shape. I might have to actually put it in one of these. We'll see.
Yeah, or modify like a mailing box or something.
Yeah.
Because it's a little thick.
Yeah, I don't think it'll fit in a shoebox, unless you do like a weird...
Yeah, I'll just probably modify a shoebox or a mailing box.
All right. Under Armour golf short. Where you at? Yeah. Under Armour golf short. Sold for $20. That was an offer I accepted on Posh. I had paid $4.99 for them. Yeah. These are going to Tyvek. Okay. And lastly, viewer sale going out to Viviana. Actually, we already kind of bagged it just because I couldn't fit any more plushies in here. And yeah. So I'll just take it out a little. It's kind of this cute little cookie plush.
Yeah.
But these are called Smillows. I guess there's like smelly pillows.
Scented, yeah.
So Viviana offered 18. I accepted. We actually just bought this in Utah for... We didn't like think about bringing our kids pillows for the drive. Mm-hmm. And then like they were trying to nap the whole time and it was just uncomfortable for them. So we got them some on the way back or like while we were there. Mm-hmm. And then when we got back, I was like, we don't need to keep them really because their whole bed is full of squishmallows and stuff. So anyways, we mainly got it for the drive. So it's barely used, Viviana. I did double check with her that she saw that it was scented because it's a sweet smell and that might bug some people. So hope you like it, Viviana.
Yeah. It's not a good napping pillow because when you're trying to fall asleep and you're smelling...
Oh, like wanting cookies or something? Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
So...
I think it's a cookies and cream smell, cute. Right? Or something.
Yeah, it says cookies and cream. To me, it kind of smells like pancakes, I feel like. So, anyhow.
Just dreaming about pancakes.
Yeah. So we'll actually probably put that also inside of a box, maybe like a regional B. Just to keep it safe. So pretty good day over here. Got a haul recorded, all the labels printed. I got new photographs to list maybe today or through the weekend.
Yeah, and a pile of stuff pretty much ready to go.
Yeah.
I don't think that needed much cleaning, so sweet.
Yeah.
I think we'll go ahead and get this stuff packed up and then we'll check back in with you guys in a moment. All right, guys. Got that all packed up, added the few that were the little kid sales that we just didn't really talk about today. We did have one more sale come in as we were packing up, and Kathy just got done printing the label and doing all the bookkeeping on it. We do put everything in our spreadsheet as soon as it does, well, as soon as we're up here.
Like when we're printing the labels every day, just so we don't get behind, because it's such an easy thing to get behind on and a very hard thing to come back from if you don't, so.
For sure.
Yeah, definitely slows us down each day, but doesn't slow us down at the end of the year. Mm-hmm. But last year we did slow down by not typing in our receipt mileage, so.
Yep, trying to be better this year.
Way better. But what sold are these Native Earth moccasins. I just randomly found these at a thrift. They felt like really nice quality leather. I looked up the brand. I think these retail for over $200. I didn't see a ton of comps, but I grabbed them. I bought them for $7.09. Well, that must have been my average cost of goods. Sold them just now for $30 plus shipping on Mercari, so not too bad.
Very nice.
It says they're going first class. So what the heck? Yeah, 14.9. So even with the poly mailer, we'll stay under a pound.
Rainbows? Floral. Floral it is.
Shipping hip ginger 15.
Gets you 15% off your order.
And then, what was I going to say? Oh, the shoe selling reminded me. I have another pair back here that I've been putting off listing because I can't make out the size. So I wanted to like put them foot to foot before I ship those out. So
what, these ones?
Yeah, these are small, like a 6. I think these must be like a 5. Anyways, I just wanted to take a picture to compare and then I'll measure, but...
So we'll do that before we pack it up, yeah.
Yeah, that's just...
But that's gonna do it for today. We do have to get this stuff off to the post office. I guess figure out the sizing, get some photograph references, and that's gonna be it for today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it has been a super windy day and it's kind of hot up here. I keep trying to open the window, but a breeze keeps coming through. It's hot. So sorry if we look kind of sweaty. We've been dealing with the hot attic, the hot loft.
Wearing sweatpants.
Yeah, I don't know how you're doing that, the sweatpants and sweatshirt, but guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the support, and we do appreciate that, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.